Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix NVIDIA GPU driver issues. First, perform a clean install using the NVIDIA installer. If your current driver is corrupted, a normal update may not fix it. Go to the official NVIDIA website and download the latest game-ready driver for your graphics card. Once downloaded, run the installer. When asked, choose Custom, also called Advanced. On the next screen, check the box that says Perform a clean installation. This will remove old driver settings and reset everything to default. If the issue continues, use Display Driver Uninstaller, also known as DDU. This tool removes all leftover driver files. Before starting, disconnect your internet connection. This prevents Windows from automatically installing a generic driver. Next, boot your computer into safe mode. Once in safe mode, open DDU. Select GPU, then choose NVIDIA. Click Clean and restart. After your system boots back into normal Windows, install the driver you downloaded earlier. If your problem started after a recent update, consider rolling back to a stable driver. You can also manually install an older driver version from the NVIDIA website. If the driver will not install and you see a message that says NVIDIA graphics card not detected, check your hardware connections. Open Device Manager, click Action at the top, and select Scan for hardware changes. If the card still does not appear, shut down your computer and unplug it from power. Open the case and carefully reseat the graphics card in the PCIe slot. Make sure it is fully inserted. Also check that all required power cables are firmly connected to the card. Then close the case, power the system back on, and check again. Thanks for watching.